everybody, and welcome to Kryssyville. I am Krissy, of course, and I am currently in New Orleans, and I went to their mall. I think it's called Canal Place. If it's not, it's Canal something, you know. I'm from up north, so you know Canal Street is somewhere where they go to get the fake stuff, honey, but in New Orleans, Canal Street is the real deal. So let me show y'all what I got, honey, and do my little unboxing. Now, if you know me, you know exactly what shoes I got. But if you don't, they are the Gucci. I wanted these shoes so bad. I had pre-ordered them. But I'm just not good with that type of stuff. Like, I've never been heavy layaway bull. I've never been, you know, heavy pre-order. Like, if I can't get it right now, I don't want it. And I'll be done spend my money. But that's exactly what happened. So I had pre-ordered the black version of these shoes. And then by the time they went to go dip into my account, child, it was over. I had to spend the money. But anyway, these are like the little Barbie shoes, and I was about to say I don't know how much they cost, but they were $320, and with the tax they came up to $351.04. So I'm just gonna open these up and let y'all see them. Up. I decided to get the white ones this time because I tried the white ones on and I absolutely love them. Now, this is it, which I feel like they're not like super white. I feel like they're kind of like more on the cream side, but it's whatever. I tried them on and I really like them. So I'm actually going to put them on with the outfit that I have on today. So I'm just going to show you now. The shoes that I have on, they are Chinese laundry, which I really love these shoes, and I only brought one pair of shoes to New Orleans. So I'm just gonna put these on so y'all can see. Oh, my feet is ashy. Oh my God. How am I do an unboxing video with my feet all extra ashy like that? But y'all see them? I thought they were so cute. I thought they was actually cuter than the black ones because my girlfriend has the black ones and I tried them on. I still love the black ones though. Don't trust me because I might go get them. But I actually looked on their website and they talking about they ain't gonna ship until October 31st. So no ma'am. But these are super freaking adorable. If you're thinking about buying them, let me see, turn to the side so y'all can see my heel. Let me pull this part up. So if you're thinking about buying them, I wear an 8.5 to a 9, and I usually buy high-end shoes anywhere from a 40 to a 42 because they usually run small. But these are actually kind of big. They're 39. So if you're confused on what size to get, I would actually just get go a size down, because these are really big. Like the 40s, they look like they didn't belong to me. Like when I tried them on, I was like, oh hell no. But if you like them, grab them. They are so freaking adorable, and they just remind me so much of the 90s and the Barbie shoes, and I had to do this moment, honey. So I just want to show y'all how they look when you get in your walk on, when you strutting your stuff on the scene. Do y'all like them? Can y'all see them? Okay. If you like the jumpsuit, email me.